welcome back to the ranch. Today, we're cooking chicken thighs. With the cost of pork and beef right now, we're looking for great alternatives. Chicken thighs are great value. They run them for 99 cents a pound a lot of times. Let's go. Now that we've stretched the skin back over the thighs, we're just going to season them. Today, I'm using my favorite rub, my seafood rub on chicken. We're going to season all sides of the chicken, and then we'll place it on the rack. Another quick tip is I use a oil pan to season in. That'll catch all the seasoning. Then I can scoop it back up and use it as a second layer. Even though this is my seafood rub, I like to use it on chicken as well. I've also used it on a bunch of other things. Seems to work on anything. All right, now that we have them seasoned, we're going to put them on the grill. I like to cook on a wire rack with a catch tray below it. Helps keep my grill clean. Usually chicken's ready at 160 degrees, 170. I'm going to cook these thighs to 200 degrees. When I cook them longer, they seem to have a better texture inside, and it helps crisp up the skin.